Hello there, I'm Jamie Butterworth, Studio 3 CEO, and today we're talking about 3 tips for either starting or running a business. 1, people. You'll read a million books that say the same thing. Get your people right first. You get the people right, everything else works. Stop worrying about their salaries. If they're the right people, they'll make you a lot more money than that salary. They are your best investment, and that applies to what you do with them after you hire them as well. Get the right people and don't be satisfied until you have the right people. 2, focus on your quality first. Whether it's your product, whether it's service, whatever it is that you do, get the quality right. Make sure it's something that is something people want. It creates word of mouth just because of the experience. If you have a product or a service, it's okay, your marketing and sales are gonna have to make up for that. If you get your quality right, your marketing and sales become very easy. 3, and this is the hardest one, spend less than you make. Everybody says it, it sounds simple. I say, try to spend less than you make. Typically, you're not gonna get financially viable for 2 to 5 years in starting a business. That's just been my experience and what I've seen. So in the first 2 to 5 years, you have to think there is gonna be some investment and you are gonna spend more than you make. But if you try to spend less than you make, it's on your radar to get to that point where you have money left over at the end of the day and you're making profit. I will caution you at the same time, you can get stuck in that and you can get focused on the numbers when my experience is better product, better people will create a lot more expansion and growth than, nickel and diming. Again, I say try to spend less than you make and do your best, but always focus on it. And more than anything, be aware of it. If you're not even aware that you're spending less than you make, then you have a problem. But at least if you know it and you see it every single month in your bottom line and you have a P&L that shows you that, okay, I'm spending less than I make, but in 3 months I'll get there, then you're doing okay. So those are 3 real simple tips for running a business, starting a business, and I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, everyone. Comment below any interesting topics that maybe you're struggling with. I'd love to take it apart and have a conversation about it in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe.